Ball above the feet. I wish they were. Anyway, I thought that was decent, but
Two, one.
two, one. What could go wrong with range balls, bit of wind, uneven slab? Okay, have another go because everybody gets it right the second time. That was close. We mustn't neglect our short game, and therefore it's imperative that we have good fine touch, fine motor skills. So this one here, we're going to get a couple of people out, and all you're going to do is hit this ball just a short distance through the markers. If you get through there, we're going to give you a brand new tailor-made driver. Okay? The slight catch, well, Dan is, not me. Is that all right, Dan? The slight catch is we're hitting it with the butt end of the club. Okay? So it looks like this. We're going to do a full swing back, and on the way down, butt end of the club, through the markers, past there to win yourself a £400 driver.
Satnam.
Good effort, my friend.
Cheers, man.